Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about what is a candlestick, right? You all probably know that we have different types of charting representation when it comes to the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or even other platforms as, let's say, FinLogic's web charts, okay? Right, so let's run over the three ones we main use, okay? We have the candlesticks, as you can see right now. We have the line chart and we have the bar charts, okay? Let's dive a little bit deeper into the candlestick charts. If we zoom in here, just using this setting, we can see that they have a little tail, right? All of them have a little tail. Well, not all of them. It's not an obligation to have, but all of them has those little tails, ups and downs. What are those things called? What are these thing green here called? Well, remember guys, that if you have not yet watched the MT4, MT5 tutorial and how to set it up, the charts the way you prefer, then go to the ACY Securities channel and watch it because it is there. I've done a video on that already. So a candlestick is composed by four main parts, okay? The open, the low, the close, and the high, right? So let's get a little line here so you guys can have a look. Let me just change this here, parameters, not the right. There we go. So this little thing here on the top is the high. So this is where the candlestick in 1 hour, okay, so this is a 1 hour chart. You can see up here as well as up here. You can see that this was the highest point of the candlestick. Okay, it doesn't mean that it has closed in there, but this was the high part of the candle, right? Then we have the close that is just below here. Okay, can you see that? This is where the candlestick closed. So it went all the way there, came back a little bit and closed, right? Now we have the open as well, that it's just in the bottom here. So if it's green candle in this scenario here, the configurations I'm using, green for bullish and red for bearish, we're going to have it as a open on below the close. If it's a red candle, the open is above the close because it's the opposite. All right. So this one we had the open just at this bottom here, and we had the low point just as here. Okay, so right at the bottom here was the lowest point of this candlestick. So it went all the way down and retraced, or maybe it went all the way up there, retraced down here and came back up and closed here. We don't know how the candlestick, looking at this at the moment like an already formed candlestick, we don't know how these actually moved. So this is why we can see in the moment here a candlestick being formated. So see that every tick he goes above and retraces, there is a little tail here already. I can't zoom in more than that. This is the maximum already, but there we go. So it's going above that little thing, so the tail is not here anymore. So that means that right now this is the high of the candlestick because it's been formating. Well, the low at this moment is just here, and the open is here because it's a bullish candlestick. All right, so now you know how to look and how to interpret, how to see the candlesticks in the charts. All right guys, thank you so much. Give us a thumbs up on this video, and if you like to hear more and study a bit more, then we will leave a link in the description of this video that will guide you through our website where you can see and read all of the important information about candlestick. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.